what we have here is a piecewise function, and the directions are saying to graph this. They're using function notation, that's why it says f of x, the function of x equals, and it has these three pieces to it. Right here, these last statements hold the key to the whole entire graph, because they're telling you what to look for in terms of x. So let me draw this graph down here, and you'll see what I'm saying. Here's the x-axis, here's the y-axis. So x has to be less than or equal to -5. So let me find -5 on here. There's -5. So anytime x is equal to -5 or less than, the y value, think of this as the y value. These are all the x values. And what they're saying is, for any x that is equal to -5 or less than -5, the y value will be -8. So, right here at -5, the value will be -8. I'll put a point because it is included in that. And it is going to the left. It is a filled in circle because at -5, x equals -5, the y value is -8. So that's the first piece. We're done with this. So this is done. The second piece says if x is between these two numbers, from -5 to +5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In this region, the y value, remember this piece is the y value. The y value will be 0. So it won't have any height off of the the x-axis. It won't go above it or below it. Y will be 0. 0 height is going to be right on this axis from -5, but it's anything a little bit more than -5. So I'm going to put an open circle there because it's not including that point. And it is not including this point for 5. But it is everything in between those 2 points. But I have to put those open circles on the end because this is not equal to. This is not less than and equal to. This is not less than or equal to. Just strictly -5 is less than x. So it's not including it. And x is less than 5. Not including it. The next piece goes from x greater than or equal to 5. So at this point, the y value will be 5. So at x equals 5, the y value will be 5. And any x greater than 5 will still produce a y value. Remember I said this is your y value. It'll produce your y value equal to 5. This is a piecewise function because you can see it's pieces. It also definitely is a function because it follows the vertical line test. Remember, to determine if something is a function, for every vertical line that I pass through it, it only hits one of the points one time at the most. So it passes the vertical line test. This is a function, but it's a piecewise function. And you'll see a lot of these in the course because, especially when you get to pre-calc and calculus, they use this quite a lot.